This ViiV AMP grant program is one of HIV's best kept secrets in how resources make their way to the true grassroots individual and small and emerging organizations, giving us the opportunity to do what we do best, and that is organize, mobilize, and engage with the community. This project is our way of raising awareness of HIV criminalization, particularly in southern states, so that people know what the laws are within their state, but also know how to protect themselves and the ones that they love as a part of the sexual experience. The impact of Project Share has been amazing. We selected 3 southern states, Alabama, Florida, and Georgia, as places to launch the pilot. We did both education, we raised awareness, but we also trained Black women who were from those jurisdictions to be able to replicate this model and provided toolkits so that they had all their training materials. And of course, they had the support from us as they were launching their own Project Share convenings. What this project has taught me is that our HIV criminalization laws and raising awareness of those laws must be integrated throughout both prevention, treatment, and care in our community.